Welcome back, everyone. Check this out. Customer states they take care of all their own maintenance. You ready? This isn't even all of it. Stay with me. Fluid leaks.
Maintained well. Oh, that's perfect.
We're not finished. Let's go back here. This wheel's not even working. These are all your fine cars on the road in the state of New Jersey because they don't require customers to take care of anything. The right rear brake's barely working. I'm not even going to get into shaking down the suspension and the motor mounts. Tires just about at the wear bars on both sides. The customer takes care of all their own maintenance. Hold on. We're not done yet. Let's lower it down. You see, we're taking care of the exhaust maintenance by patching it up. So when you talk about vehicle maintenance, that's everything. Like, if your car has a dent, you get it fixed. If your headlight assemblies are worn out or broken, you get them fixed. When your tires are unsafe, you get them fixed. When your battery light's on, you get that fixed. Only in New Jersey. When your armrest breaks, you get that fixed. When your engine light is on, you get that fixed. When your oil change require light is on, you get that fixed. When your washer fluid light, you get that fixed. When your AC filter's changed on, you get that fixed. Check the charging system. Yeah. Customer states they take care of all their own maintenance.